Oh my gosh, look, it's snowing outside. Well, it's not snowing. It snowed like some days ago. Like, it's not like 2 days ago. No, it snowed hells ago. Look at this. People riding in the snow and shit. It snowed some days ago, but it's still cold. And it's still snow on the ground. I don't know why. The snow should have been melted. I'm freaking freezing. Look at this. Oh, it's nasty. Look at that. That's pretty, though. Look at that snow. That's pretty. The snow bear. You love the snow, don't you? You love the snow, don't you, Solo? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, he's attacking me again. Okay. Oh my gosh. You mad, Solo? Look at his sweater. Sweater by Ralph Lauren. Look at him. He can't even walk in the snow. Freaking dipwad. Look at him. Look at this. People done walked all in the snow. Look at the tree. It's all naked. Poor tree. Poor naked tree. Ew, look at the street. Yams. Yum, 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 yums. Yams! Oh my gosh. What if snow? What if it didn't snow? What if it snowed yams? That would be so cool, wouldn't it? I know. Hold on. Oh no, never mind.